Hello everyone. I like Microsoft Dataverse platform very much, and this video is another one in the series about this platform. So after the database is created, what do we need to do? We need to get data into this. Okay, so when you've got the Microsoft Dataverse database created, you can see the various entities or tables, and we can start entering data in there. So for example, here I've got the custom table called Stratabos product, and I can see all the different columns. Some of them are custom that we created using different data type. And for example, if I have something already there, I can see it here, and then if I want to add record, I click this button, add record. There you go. Now I can provide the relevant details. Okay, so we are entering the data into our system, and as you can see, there is already a form created for us to do the data entry. So we don't need to worry about the field locations, etc. This form will also be displayed very well on the mobile device. Also, the formatting is already there. See, if we input the price, it's straight away formatted as the number. Also, now, with the abilities of Microsoft Dataverse, we can straight away start creating activities related to certain entities straight into the database. Let's say now we want to record a call that we received from one of our customers. And when we're changing direction from outgoing to incoming, we can then change who the call was made from and to. So it was either from outside of our organization or to somebody inside our organization, or vice versa. Change different parameters. There you go. Straight away we have a log of activities sitting with the entity in the database. Now what we do is mark this call as complete, and we have this information sitting in the database already. So in this video you've seen how it is easy to enter data into Microsoft Dataverse. So we didn't need to create any forms or any user interface, just start creating new records. There are also other options to enter data. For example, do import or automate this process using robotic process automation or other tools that you think are useful for you in regards to do automated workflows or other business processes. Stay tuned for more interesting videos and subscribe to the channel. Bye!